In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three dots at the top right one. Select Settings and operate all of those under Alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back. Now to create new alarm, use this button at the bottom. Now you can adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on Ring Once or Custom. If you decided to select Custom, click on it and pick days of the week. Now choose alarm name and tap on ringtone and vibration section. In it, you can select vibration at the top and click on the best pattern for you. You can also disable vibration by choosing no vibration or synchronize them with ringtone by clicking on this option at the top. Then you can pick one of those system themes to pick the perfect sound for your alarm. If you don't want to do it, you can always click on this device at the bottom and apply any song from your smartphone. Just click on it and go back. Finally, you can tap on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also manage snooze by tapping on this switcher next to it to turn it off or on. When you go back this time, you can finally save your alarm by choosing Done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and pick one of those options. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. To delete your alarm, you need to hold it. Click Delete at the bottom and wait. To make some changes though, just click on the chosen one, change wherever you want to, and hit Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!